Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 6 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in a more aesthetic on our design. And here we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to fix is this spot because we have a change we split this up and we changed the material. So I wanted to add or to make this same materials than before. So I'm gonna use this tile and I'm gonna add this one as well. So ceramic tile. But this one is actually because it's an extrusion, so you need to do it inside of the extrusion. That's why it couldn't do it or change it earlier. So we just need to do it from the inside. After that, I just want to know the material that we use, textile bamboo weave. So I'm gonna click finish. I'm gonna click this. So what we could actually do is we could paint this up. So I'm gonna paint this to textile. So I'm gonna search textile. So this one. And then now we just need to split this up like that. And then let's split this. And then let's see if this one, so we just need to pull this back up to the line. And then lastly, this part. We just need the line right about here and click finish. And then now we can paint the same one. I'll just leave it like that for now. And then we could click on the finishes here as well. Good thing I noticed it. So now everything is correct. Next thing is we're gonna add in our curtain grid. So we need to fix this now. So here for the bedroom, I'm gonna add it in the middle. And from the bottom and then on the top. So 500 from the bottom and from the top. Okay, that looks good. And then let's go to south elevation. And then let's add in, we have a door here. So 800 will be good enough. And then let's divide this. And then 600 from the top. This one will be enough. And then this one, let's just divide it. So simple like that. Here, let's leave it like that. Or we could just click. So just in the middle. And here as well. And then here I wanted to add from the top 500 and from the bottom 500 as well. Okay, that's good. Just in the middle. And then this one, I'm gonna divide it in the middle. And then I'm just gonna add it from the top. And then after that, I'm gonna divide again. And then lastly, I'm gonna add 500 from the top. And then let's add in a mullion, all grid. And I want it to be square. I'm gonna fix this. I forgot that one and this one. I'm just gonna add a grid line here. and maybe on this spot. I'm gonna figure out where. Here, let's add the curtain grid quickly. I'm just gonna add it at the top, 500 and 500 here. And then now mullion again, and then all grid. And then we need to add a door here, so we need to insert load family, go back to door, and then let's add in a single glass, and then we need to click on tab, change this one to this door, and make sure the orientation is correct. So go to level 2 and flip this, going outside. So this one looks good. We're gonna change this with the grass. I want to put something here in front of here. So we have our cars, and let's move this one and change it to a grass. So I'm gonna edit this boundary, level 2, push this one like that. Click finish, and then let's edit this boundary, and then choose this SL DR to trim, and then click finish. So we're gonna put grass here. Okay, so I'm just double checking everything. We still need to create some of here. We will need to add in the gate. So I'm gonna click south elevation, and I wanna change some stuff specifically for this side. I just want it to be touching the bottom of here. Even this one, I want to put it down. So I'm going to pull this one down like so and change it a little bit like that. In terms of that, I want it to be roughly in the middle. So if we see it like that, it's not touching the wall, and it's like in center. And then I wanted to see it from level 2 if we can, but I don't want to bother you with that detail. So what we could do is push this back. We can actually pull this like so. AL, click on the tab, I just want to pull this one back like so. I know this is not visible enough, so I'm gonna change it to hidden so that it's easy for everyone to see. And then here I want to pull this one like that, so I'm basically inverting it so that I could put in lights here. So now this one looks good. This one looks good as well, being at the top of that. But I'm not gonna pull everything all together at the top. So I think that's good enough. We're gonna put some grass here. And let's add in this wall. So I just want to double check what kind of wall is this. I know we use masonry unit. And then here, maybe we could just edit this one. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna add an extrusion on this side. And I'm just gonna copy that for everyone. So model in place, generic model. And then I'm gonna create this extrusion. I'm gonna set it on this plane. And I'm gonna create something like this. So around 1000. I want to pull it down and I want to change the material. Click finish. And I'm gonna pull this one a little bit like that. So maybe around 50 extrusion. Pull it down a little bit. And add in a sweep. This sweep will be, I'm gonna pick the path. And then after that, edit the profile. I'm gonna create this profile. Okay, so I'm gonna click on SL and then TR, and then click. I'm gonna change the material as well. I'm gonna change this to a different one. I'm gonna use copper and then click finish. And as you can see, it will look like that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy that all around. So I'm just copying this. Every 2500. Okay, that looks good. And I just want to copy it on the other side and hopefully the one at the back as well. I'm gonna mirror this and create a midpoint. Let me copy this. CS. Okay. So now I'm gonna go back here and then just copy the rest of them. Remove the constraint. And then here I want to copy. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. And I believe that will be good enough. And then in the next video, we're gonna create the gate. So thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.